These 3 jobs hire in 24 hours. Let me paint you a picture. It's Monday morning. Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. You sit up, stare at the ceiling, and think, I could be doing this from literally anywhere on the planet. But instead, you're about to spend 45 minutes in traffic just to sit under fluorescent lights next to Gary from accounting, who microwaves fish every single day. What if I told you there are companies right now, today, that are actively hiring remote workers and making decisions within 24 hours? No lengthy interview process. No waiting 3 weeks to hear back from some ghost recruiter. Just an application, a quick turnaround, and a job offer landing in your inbox faster than your pizza delivery. Let's get into it. Job number 1. Online chat support agent. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and hundreds of smaller e-commerce brands are constantly looking for chat support agents. These roles typically pay between $15 and $22 per hour, and many of them have rolling applications, meaning they fill seats as fast as they can find qualified people. What do you need? Basic typing skills, decent grammar, and the ability to stay calm when someone is absolutely losing their mind because their package arrived a day late. The interview process is often just a typing speed test and a short scenario response. Companies like Concentrix, Teleperformance, and LiveOps hire almost continuously, and offers can come within hours of your application. Job number 2. Data entry and transcription specialist. This one flies under the radar, but it's gold. Platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, and Scribey hire transcriptionists on a rolling basis. You sign up, pass a short skills test, and you can literally be working the same day. No experience required, no degree required, just ears, fingers, and the patience to rewind audio 47 times because someone mumbled through an entire meeting. Pay ranges from $0.45 to $1.50 per audio minute, depending on the platform. And if you're fast and accurate, you can build up serious income. Some specialized medical or legal transcription roles pay even more. The barrier to entry is low, the demand is high, and the hiring timeline is basically instant. Job number 3, virtual assistant. Here's where things get interesting. Businesses, especially solopreneurs and small companies, are desperately seeking virtual assistants to manage emails, schedule appointments, handle social media, and basically keep their lives from falling apart. Platforms like Searchable, Fancy Hands, and Time, etc. are always recruiting. What makes this role explode in terms of hiring speed is that small business owners don't have time to run a 3-month hiring process. They need help now. A well-written application that demonstrates organization and communication skills can have you on a discovery call within the same day and onboarded by tomorrow morning. Pay ranges from $15 to $40 per hour, depending on your skill set and the complexity of the tasks. Now here's the part nobody talks about. When you're job hunting hard, refreshing your inbox every 20 minutes, filling out application after application, your stress levels go absolutely through the roof. Your shoulders turn into concrete boulders. Your jaw clenches so tight you could crack walnuts with it. Your brain is running at 1,000 miles per hour and refuses to shut off at night. That's why I want to tell you about magnesium glycinate supplements. Seriously, this is the one physical thing that helped me survive the chaos of job searching and transition to remote work. Magnesium glycinate is known to support muscle relaxation, reduce stress response, and actually help your brain wind down so you can sleep like a functioning human being instead of a anxiety-riddled gremlin staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m. It's affordable, it's widely available on Amazon, and the link is down in the description below. Think of it as the official supplement of people trying to escape their 9-to-5. You're welcome. So there you have it. 3 remote jobs with fast hiring timelines, 0 need for a fancy degree, and the very real possibility of you starting a new chapter of your life before this week is even over. Now close the fish microwave on Gary's dreams. Go apply. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.